Happy Saturday, y'all. I hope y'all had a good time celebrating the 4th of July. Now, you guys, y'all know I got to get to the money. Y'all gonna come with me today? Okay, let's go. Hey, y'all. So I didn't tell y'all. So the quota today is $150. Okay, you guys. And also, I was gonna tell you. Oh yeah, we here at IHOP, you guys. We have our first delivery together, and it is for $11.25 for William going 10 minutes, you guys. It might be less than that, but I'm gonna say 10 minutes. Okay, you guys. So let's go in here and see if the order ready. Knowing IHOP, it's not gonna be ready, but let's see. Yes, y'all, it was ready. We got William order, so let's go in and take it to him. Y'all, I forgot to tell y'all too. I went to the gym today. I feel amazing. I never completed a whole what is it called? The fitness walk or whatever. Anyway, I never completed the whole thing, so I'm proud of myself. And also, I got a deep tissue massage in that massage chair. Oh, I'm feeling like $1,000,000 right now. I was back there screaming, ah! You know what I mean? But it's all good. Let's go, y'all. Okay, y'all, we at William house. Let's go take him his order. Thank you for your business. It was about to jump out the window on your girl. Let's get away from here, y'all. Hey y'all, so we got our second order for Kinsley. This is an upside down order, y'all, but I'm at a 72%. It's really $7.75, you guys. Woo, it was a lot of birds by the window, but it was $7.75 for 8 miles, you guys. I know it's not a good order, but I do not want to lose my DoorDash now button. Is very important to me. I know some DoorDashers don't care, but I like the advantage of being able to DoorDash whenever I feel like it, wherever I feel like it. So I definitely want to keep that. So we're going to go ahead and do this charity order, okay? Because it's like a charity order to me, honey. So let's go ahead and see if Kinsley order is ready. Dunkin' is known to make you wait, but child, let's go see. All right, thank you so much. You too. I can't believe it, y'all. We got the goods, y'all. We got the goods. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great day. I just know it is. See y'all at Kinsley house. Okay, y'all, we've arrived at Kinsley house. Let's go take her order. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, we about to go up to Target area because we over here. I'm sorry, I put my seatbelt on. Let me stop and do that real quick. Nobody want to hear that. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna go get gas and then go Well, I guess wherever, but I'm by Target. But if we get another hit, I'll let y'all know. See y'all on the next stop. Y'all, I'm so excited. I wish I can get orders like Tim order all the time. Y'all check it out. He has some White Castle burgers, some 5-hour energy shots, and some mozzarella sticks. Y'all, $13.50 for 2 miles. Now that's a good order. Y'all, that's a good order. We are so grateful as food delivery drivers to get, deliveries to gigs like this. Y'all, let's go get Tim order. We're going to get his order to him ASAP. We ain't even shopping around, honey. I want him to be pleased. Let's go on in here and get Tim order. Got the goods, y'all. Hey, y'all, let's go deliver him his order. I'm walking to the wrong car. We made it to Tim's house. Let's go ahead and deliver him his items. Thank you for your business. So we got another good batch, $7.50 for 3 miles, you guys. We're going to go in Five Guys for Abner. He only have 2 items, okay? But Five Guys is notorious. I wouldn't care if it was only a drink, honey. You'll be waiting. So let's go in here. Let's see. My luck been pretty good. So let's see if we're going to have to wait. Let's go, y'all. I just found out that the reason it's a wait at Five Guys is because no matter what it is, if it's DoorDash, Uber Eats, if it's a food delivery, they don't drop them fries. They don't make them fries until you actually get here. I didn't know that. I'm like, because I told him, I said, I'm vlogging, and I was just telling the people it's always a wait. He said, yeah, because no matter what, we're going to drop them fries when you get here. So I need to be hurrying up over here so they can drop them fries, okay? So it's going to be a couple of minutes. But now at least I know why. Who don't like a fresh fry? All right, see y'all when we get Abner order. Y'all. Abner, y'all see that hot grease on them fries? All right, let's go take Abner his food. Okay, y'all, we are at Abner's house, and this is leave at door. We not meeting no new friend here. Okay, y'all, so let's go take Abner his food. Let's go. Thank you for your business. Okay, family, we got one more order to do together, so let's go find it. Yeah, so we got our last order together, y'all, and the miles miling, but we're going to take it. It's $9.25, a Chick-fil-A order, and we will be driving it 9 miles, okay? It's upside down, but I'm trying to get my, it's not upside down. I don't even know why I said that. It's equal, but it's still not a good order to me, okay? But we're trying to get our acceptance rating up so I can have more cushion throughout the week, okay? So let's go into Chick-fil-A and get this order. See y'all over there. Tia's order is ready. Let's hope it is, because this Chick-fil-A normally on top of their business. Let's go see if they is today. Let's go. A Tia's order. I think we've been here before. We're going to that KFC we went to last week in Groveland, and I think this is the same order. Okay, y'all, so let's go hurry up and see if it's her. Okay, y'all, we made it to KFC. Let's go take a Tia her order. Oh, thank you. You have a good day. All right. Okay, you guys, thank you all so much for riding with me and doing those 5 orders. Like I mentioned before, I will be doing a split shift today. So tonight, after my night shift, we're going to see if we made that $150 quota. See y'all later. Hey, y'all. So I completed my shift for today. And did we make quota? Hey! Yes, we did, you guys. We not only made $150, we made $167.53. Thank you guys for coming to work with me tonight, today, whatever, y'all. I'm tired. Nah, I did do a split shift, though. I haven't been out here all night. I went home from 2 to 5. I got back out here at 5. So I'll see y'all at work tomorrow. Bye, y'all.